We continue to improve the visual appearance of the different levels in a multilevel matrix, to clearly differentiate the hierarchy of the data. This adjustment improves visualization and facilitates analysis. In our example, 4 visual levels are distinguished, where level 1 represents the total result, and level 4 the lowest hierarchical level. We will customize each level by adjusting the font size, background color, bold, and we will disable the expand and collapse button on the higher levels to improve clarity and focus. Follow my steps. We go to Visual Configuration and look for more options. We disable the row grand total and continue configuring each visual level independently. We start with level 4 of maximum granularity. We change the text color to dark and the background color to white. Observe how the matrix is changing only in those parts that correspond to level 4. We now continue with level 3. In this case, we will select a dark color and a very light gray background color. Notice how I am going to disable the icons only for this level. We also change the font size to 10. Now we continue with level 2, and watch how we change all those parts of our object. In this case, for level 2 we also disable the icons. Finally, we configure level 1. In this case, the total of the income statement will be given a darker background color. To highlight this level, we enlarge the font size and make it bold. We also disable the icons for this level only. Finally, we will focus on specific columns and modify the number of decimal places in 2 percentage fields of I or I, adjusting them to only 1 decimal place. In the same way, we will eliminate the decimals in the accumulated. Notice how our matrix has now changed significantly in appearance, showing different visual levels.